Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet with Treasure Fan. First, ensure both your Trust Wallet and Treasure Fan accounts are ready for integration. It's crucial that your Trust Wallet application is updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues during the connection process. Also, for security and recovery purposes, always keep your wallet's recovery phrase or private key in a safe, secure location. This preparation step is vital for a smooth and secure connection. Now, let's get your accounts ready. Begin by opening the Treasure Fan website on your preferred desktop browser. Once the site loads, securely log into your Treasure Fan account using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to your profile or account settings. Within these settings, you should find a dedicated section for connecting or managing your cryptocurrency wallets. This is where we'll initiate the linking process, so take a moment to locate it. With your Treasure Fan account open, it's time to make the connection. Click on the Connect Wallet option you found in the previous step. When prompted to choose a connection method, select Wallet Connect. This will display a unique QR code on your screen. Now, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Within Trust Wallet, find the Wallet Connect scanner and use it to scan the QR code shown on your Treasure Fan page. This action will bridge the two platforms. After scanning the QR code, a connection request will appear in your Trust Wallet app. Carefully review the details and then approve the connection to finalize the link. Once approved, return to your Treasure Fan page. You should now see your Trust Wallet address displayed, confirming a successful connection. If you encounter any issues, double-check your steps or consult Treasure Fan's support. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your connected experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.